Fam, this is the start of a new vlog. I am so stoked. So many new things are happening, and it's time to tell you what the heck is going on with myself and my wife's life. We have a lot of big things, big changes, big ideas, and we're gonna show you what it is today. Right? Right. Not only that, we are in our house right now that we bought. We bought a house. I'm now a realtor, and I was the realtor to help us buy this house, and it was like a total fixer-upper house, and we're almost having it fixer-upped, right? Like we redid a bathroom. We put in the sinks. We put in a toilet. We even put in a shower with glass doors. Fancy. I'll have to give you a tour at some point, but for now, we are journeying north.
Hello?
We got a new coffee machine.
Oh, it's delightful.
I don't even drink coffee.
Well, you can secondhand enjoy it from me, through me. Mmm.
Look at that pile of scrap and stuff from inside that house. That is just like 2% of all of the things that we had to rip out of this house. We are in the car adventuring north to Lakeside. Lakeside is a wonderful place, and we have many exciting things happening up at Lakeside. I'm very excited to show all of you. And my wife, she's also excited, and she's working from the road like a true digital nomad. Wow. Wow. All right, we will see you at Lakeside. Huzzah. Welcome to Lakeside. We have many projects getting ready for us at this location, which is where we will be spending our summers for the very foreseeable future.
Forever.
Whoa. Now the reason that we will be up here for the foreseeable future, all summers, is because we've purchased some things, right?
Only a few things.
Just a few small things.
Few small couple things.
So we are the proud new owners of a cafe and a laundromat.
Yay!
So we will be hanging out up here all summer to run those bad boys. And we're very excited about it because Rachel's family has been coming and vacationing at Lakeside for like the past 15-ish years. Love it. And then when I became the boyfriend, I then started coming up here, and Lakeside is just such the coolest, most amazing place.
It's like the most fun. And it's a little self-sustained little community. So if you have ever come up to Lakeside, you just know. You know what it's like.
And
it's a blast.
if you haven't come up to Lakeside, you should now.
You should.
Because there's a cool laundromat and a cool cafe called the Bluebird, which we're gonna show you now. Yes.
Thank you. The Bluebird.
Yes, this is the Bluebird. We are very excited to get this shindig underway. Because if you'll know from some of the previous vlogs in maybe series or episode, no, where am I?
We haven't vlogged in a while.
In the previous series, I think it was like the 3rd series of vlogs, I vlogged the experience of starting up top. And this will be similar. It's almost like a similar size. So we're gonna have paninis, salads, frozen yogurt, some other goodies as well. But what is really cool is that out these doors, right here is Lake Erie. Like we are literally on Lake Erie. If you open this door and I shoved you twice, you'd fall in the water.
Rude.
But we won't do that. We'll just feed you delicious food. And then you can go sit out back on the patio because it's super cool. And I found some amazing string lights that are commercial grade at Home Buys. I freaking love Home Buys. And we're gonna hang them out back.
That's awesome.
So many cool things to do.
So many cool things. There's a lot that we need to do in here. And spring is coming. And even just being up here today, there are more and more people showing up. So we gotta get ready. We gotta do all the cool things.
We do, we gotta get ready because we're gonna be opening up in May and it's about to be April. And we have gotta do a lot of stuff. Clean, paint, update the menu, order stuff, get our employees ready to rock and roll.
The list, I mean, yeah, we'd be here all day if we read the list. But hopefully you guys can join in the adventure of kind of seeing our personal stamp on the Bluebird. And then potentially coming this summer.
And speaking of personal stamps, we're actually gonna take this paint and then go paint the bathroom of the laundromat. Such beautiful music. But besides that, over there's putt-putt. Like you can literally get a sandwich from the Bluebird and then take 10 steps and go putt-putting.
Or play basketball, or play pickleball, or sand volleyball, although that might get into your sandwich.
There's a lot of items, but really what I care about is putt-putt. I freaking love putt-putt. It's gonna be dangerous because I'm gonna have all the frozen yogurt and sandwiches that I want and then be able to play putt-putt. I'll never leave. One of the cool things about this laundromat is it is not just a laundromat. We also provide services. So there are 2 hotels in Lakeside and we have the contract with them to do all of the hotel's laundry, which is super cool. And we've rented the space next door to turn that into the commercial laundry headquarters. That is in the process. We've got to tear down a wall and get approval for that. So that is in the works. A lot of stuff, which you will now start seeing the behind the scenes stuff because we're gonna be vlogging all this summer and throughout this whole process of taking over these businesses and turning them into something cool. So look at this yellow behind us. That's what this whole laundromat looked like. It was all yellow and we have painted it like a nice sandy beige color. So you'll get all the details, all the updates, like the cool stuff that we're doing to make it look sweet. Let's do some laundry. When we took over the laundromat, there was this massive bucket of keys. One of my favorite things was going through all of them and organizing them based on their use and what they go to. I love organization. But there are still some that I don't know what they go to. Here's the commercial space we were talking about that is next door. This wall, we've got to get rid of that. It's not supporting anything. It's just a wall to partition the room. We've got to get a lot of approvals to do this. We're working on that process so we can put 2 new washers, 2 dryers in here, and a big fancy ironer that will iron the sheets automatically and fold them. We getting fancy. These hotels about to have some crisp bed linens. Hi, how are you? Good. There's just so many cool people all around Lakeside. And the season hasn't even begun yet. But now I've got to get back. I've dropped off the laundry, and now my wife has been painting. So I got to go back and help her continue to paint.
Hi.
Babe, I left you.
It's okay. I was just chilling.
A successful, productive day at the laundromat.
Yes, I have paint all over me.
A lot of washing and painting completed.
There's paint on the floor.
Oh no. But what we need to do now is eat some pizza.
I'm so hungry.
Pizza!
Yeah, so crazy. Awesome. Well, have a good night.
Have a good night. Thank you.
We ate a whole Pizza.
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 So this is so delicious. I love it. Their sauce is like sweet.
And
so
their
good.
cheese is just, well, Andrew.
I'm
we know about
lactose
that,
intolerant.
but it is amazing. Get yourself some Sloopies.
All right, fam. Good night to the laundromat. We are headed back down south to gear up for a crazy trip to Europe, which will also be on the YouTube channel. So many crazy things happening. Make sure you're staying tuned.
Bye.
Peace.